like this, eat like that, eat like this, eat like that. Subscribe to my channel, guys. Fly, 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 fly. Fly, fly.
Where did your airplane land?
Miami.
Miami is not a country. It's a city in Florida, remember? Manhattan is a borough in New York. It's a city. What other countries do you know? Do you remember?
Africa.
Yes, there you go.
What just happened?
Let's see.
Bye, a mosquito.
Where's the mosquito? Well, sorry, where's the bite?
It almost bit me again.
What about the other arm?
Mommy, we might have to get three airplanes, Delta and a Delta airplane
Delta and what else?
and Japan airplane.
Oh, yes, that Japan Airlines. But I think you were talking about JetBlue
Oh yeah, and we need JetBlue
and American.
and American Airlines.
Yes.
We need a little bit more, airplanes. We need like 25.
25 airplanes? Oh, wow.
But that's gonna be like $60,000.
$60,000? Well, actually, you're pretty right because,
Airplanes cost that money.
yeah, airplanes are very expensive.
How much? 4,050 million hundred.
I think that an airplane costs, let's see, like 100,000?
Maybe it costs 17,000, 60,000.
Dollars?
Catch it.
Uh-oh. The airplane crashed. It had an emergency landing. Uh-oh.
I landed on him.
How did you?
Now they're all dead.
Who's? Oh my gosh.
Oh no! Oh no! They're all broken. No. Oh no. Subscribe to my channel, guys.